Okay, this last step is the easiest one. This one that you have typed down is the original equation. I like to click on it for a couple of seconds and this will appear. And let me change it to orange. Just a preference that I have there. But you can leave it as any color that you want. Now let's see if answer choice A matches this graph. It needs to be exactly the same graph. So what I do is I click it right here and I just unclick it again. And is it the same graph? Well, no, because this one is not crossing here at the same point, and here at the same point it's crossing down here. So it is not A. Now let me check B. I click on it, and no, it's a weird shaped graph. So it is not exactly as the orange one, so it is not B. Let me check on C. Now see how it looks like a Christmas tree lights, that it's flashing? That means it's exactly the same graph. They're both crossing here and they're both crossing here. So you know what? I already found my answer. Now let me check on this one. See how this one, it is not exactly the same graph, it's different. So it is not answer choice D. So here my answer choice is section number 4, which is letter C. So what I do here is I drag this one over here because this one matches this answer.